Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft and in yet another video of the V236W pen drive by HP unboxing. And in this particular video guys, we are going to unbox this particular pen drive, and I've already made a cut so that it is easier for us to not need a knife for doing the unboxing. Also guys, I have given the link in the description, so please do check it out. I have purchased this particular pen drive on Flipkart, and you all can just check the link because it keeps on changing. So in the first like hands-on, I could say this is one of the best looking pen drives which I have ever used, and it is entirely like this shimmery shiny kind of metal aluminum, which I really like. Also guys, if you are new to this channel, please hit that like button and make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any notification whenever we upload any new video. And coming back to this particular pen drive, it is fully metal body, which I really like, except for the tiny bit which is there on top, that is plastic, the black color one. Otherwise this pen drive is really having that industrial design and really classy, yeah. And if you just want to take this for your meetings, etc., this is the most fantastic device, I would say. But as you can see, on the surface of this particular metal, you can almost see my fingerprints, and this is reflecting every color opposite to it or facing it. And it is very, you'll be having a tough time in keeping this particular pen drive very clean, because it really connects all the fingerprint of your fingers. And let me know in the comments below guys what you think about the quality. And I feel the build quality is awesome, superb, I would say. There is no even if I press it, there is no kind of flex or something. And really in certain like colors or in certain reflection, it looks black sometimes to my eyes. Let me know what you'll think about the color and the build of this. And as you can see, this is one of the most fantastic device what I have used. Let us also try guys how fast is this, because if it is not having that speed, it is not good anyways. Let me just connect it to my system, and I'm using crystal disk and for just finding the read write speed of this. Also guys, I'll be fast forwarding this particular video later on from here to around 3x, so that we can see the live of the working of it, and it will be showing the read and write speed. And based on the read and write speed, I'll be telling you whether you should buy or not, because I know it is a fancy little pen drive, very pocketable, and you all can use it with your keychain, etc. And it's a wonderful device for gifting. Also guys, if you like this kind of videos, please share it with your friends, family and colleague, and anyone who is looking to buy a pen drive during this particular season. And speaking about pen drive, I had been purchasing many pen drives, and I'll be doing reviews of each and every pen drive, like the most commonly purchased pen drive by people. So please make sure that you all are subscribed to this particular channel, so that you all don't miss out any videos whenever we go live. And I'm also comparing the previous SanDisk, etc., and even the iXpand drive by SanDisk, which will be useful for your iPhone and all. One thing to note guys, that this is not an OTG pen drive, so you won't be able to connect this directly to your phone. You need an OTG connector, that is from USB A to Type C, and with the help of which you can definitely connect this to your smartphone and transfer the data. And the read speed is basically looking like 32.5 as the read Mbps for this tiny little pen drive. And please note guys that I'm connected to the USB 3.2, because my laptop support USB 3.2, so it's a faster connector too. And with this I can say there is no bottlenecks, at least from my computer side. So this is the real time write speed. And after this, the pen drive literally maybe was taking a lot of time, so I had to fast forward this and cut a bit. And let me just give you my honest opinion about this. So a write speed of 18.6 is sort of a normal for a pen drive like this, and it is sort of recommended, provided you are getting for a very less price. That is, I just purchased around something like 326 or something, and for that particular price I think it's a keeper, especially based on looks and all. but don't be fooled with the looks of it, and it is not a very fast drive. So if you want a very fast high speed drive, you have to go with a USB 3, and this pen drive is just USB 2. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also, do check out all these cool videos which we have it on our channel. Let us also know in the comments below what you think about this particular topics of this pen drive. And thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.